Hi guys. So today we're going to be doing a problem about functional equations. This is very foreign to me, so I honestly looked at a guide to functional equations before starting this question, just so I'd have a bit of a basis on how to do this, and I learned a lot. So the first thing I learned is that when starting this, we should see if f of x is equal to x, or really just kx, is a solution. So let's see. So we have x times x plus x plus 2 is equal to x squared. So x squared plus x plus 2 is equal to x squared. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 2. So if x is equal to negative 2, f of x is equal to x? Okay. What does this tell us? Oh, this tells us that, um, f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2. Um, does this make sense? Oh, because this turns to negative 2, because then we get, negative 2 f of negative 2 plus f of 0 is equal to 4. Interesting. Okay. But we know this is equal to negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 plus f of 0 is equal to 4. F of 0 is equal to 0. Is this true? F of 0 is equal to 0. I mean, it seems true. Okay, let's go for the other thing. The other thing it said to do was plug in 0. So, if we plug in 0 into this equation, 0 times f of 0 is equal to f of, nope, uh, plus f of 2 is equal to 0 squared. So here we get f of 2, f of 2, f of 2, oh my gosh, f of 2 is equal to 0. And I think because we have two things, now we can just figure it out, I think. F of 8, 8, f of 8 is equal to, well, we can't say it's equal to. We want to plug in f of 8. Then we get, is it just equal to, is it just equal to 0? Because then if we plug 4 in, let's say x is equal to 4, then we get 4 times f of 4, that's diagonal, plus f of 6 is equal to, oh, 16. No, I did it wrong. We need to plug in x equals 2. X equals 2. Then we get 0 plus f of 4 is equal to 4. So f of 4 is equal to 4. Continuing on, x is equal to 4. Now it's interesting. 4 times f of 4 is equal to, uh, no, plus f of 6 is equal to 16. Subtracting from both sides, we get f of 6 is equal to 0. Continuing on, let's let x is equal to 6. Then we get 6 times 0 plus f of 8 is equal to 6 squared, which is 36. I'm checking the answer. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. This seems to be the answer. It seems to do it correctly. It is 36. They did it plugging in 0. They figured it out plugging in 2. Yep. I wonder how this function would look when expanded to all integers. I wonder. Can it be expanded to all integers? What about for odd integers? We can't. I wonder. I don't know. Functional equations are very interesting. But this is correct, and I did it all correct. Correct. Whoa, very bubbly today. Ooh, you like that? Whoa, whoa. It's like an A now. That is how I draw, how I write my A's actually. Right, how I should. But then if I do T's, that's interesting. Anyways, this is correct. I thank you guys for watching. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope. Bye.